Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I got these nails, stay tuned. Now this is the first time, so yeah, stay tuned. Bye. Hi, hi all you cool cats and kittens. So in this video, we're gonna be doing our own acrylic nails. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop. So, in this video, we're gonna be doing our own acrylic nails, and yeah, seems like it should be fun. So let's get started. So if any of you watched, don't mind this as a water stain. If any of you watched my first, it wasn't acrylic nails, but it was a nail video. I made this. I still have it. To help me know the numbers for my nails. Anyways, this is a watch me video. It's not a how to, just watch me do it for the first time. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. Just watch me. Alright guys, so I did the extensive filing with the drill off camera, and that's the results. Beautiful. Girl, oh hey Mackenzie. I'm looking like a clown today. I tried the new makeup routine. Oh, did not blend, and my eyes are itching me. Ow, I'm scratching myself because my nail is so long. Okay, I'm gonna keep that there. The forehead is, so anyways, whatever, right? My eye is itching me, and I should itch it now while I'll tell you the story in a second. looking very powdery. I think I'm gonna need setting powder.
Huh?
Okay, so I found two. The e.l.f. matte magic mist and set, and then the e.l.f. makeup mist and set. I'm gonna do the matte because it's hot and skin equals sweat. So it's itching again. Oh my god. Okay, I haven't used this in forever. I didn't even know if it's expired. Let me smell it. It kind of smells kind of, I don't know, like, listen, God, please don't cover this. Okay. I need to set this piece because it won't stay down. Okay. Hopefully I look less powdery. All right, now that we're all acquainted, let's get into the video. So, as you all don't know, last night I had an accident with the nails. Okay, not one, not two. Well, two I think last night and one this morning. But nonetheless, three nails broke off in less than 24 hours. Now I did use the kiss glue. And you know what? I like doing things with my hands, and y'all, it took me like 8 minutes to wipe my butt. Not 8 minutes, like 5 minutes to wipe my butt. And like I kept, like, normally if I take like a poop or something, I'll like use like wet tissue to like you know, wipe my butt if I don't take a shower right after. But y'all, I had to make sure I wasn't getting poop inside the nails. Like, it was just a lot, okay? But anywho's, that's TMI. I'm back in action, baby. I encapsulated that one last night while I was doing the thing, so that's why it looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can still put flowers. I have flower foil over it, if that's what it's called. I don't know what none of these are called. I'm not a professional. My first time doing this, so bear with me. I'm excited. This is the nail art foil glue. I bought a bunch because I didn't want to like get disappointed when I got here, so I bought a bunch of the foils. Yeah, so one thing I did not have that I needed to do this foil process was a UV lamp. But you'll soon see the frustration that happens when you don't have one. But yeah, okay. Alright guys, so that is not working. Turns out I think I need a you know, those gel things where you put your hand in to cure, and I don't have one of those machines right now, and I'm not finna wait for, even though Amazon is quick, I want to do this today because I'm not trying to have these on long. So I'm gonna use my top coat. Ooh, yo, this didn't really work either, but it was what I had at the time, and the foil glue gel or glue wasn't really working, and I think that's because I didn't have the UV lamp. Y'all, so this is a moment of truth. Yeah, I was over at this point. I kept repeating the top coat to act as glue and just resticking. It became messy, and I'm just gonna fast forward all these clips, even like, you know, skip through them, because I couldn't wait for this all to be over. Alright guys, so I just finished with one hand, and I didn't add, I'm gonna come back when I finish, because I want to add, I just painted the top coat on this one, but that's it. I'm gonna come back when I like finish adding whatever I want to add, like rhinestones, finish this finger, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. Foil. Yeah. So I mean, it came out alright. It's cute. It's girly. I'm still gonna save these because these don't get reused, honey. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the nails. And yeah, this hand looks less developed. This hand looks more developed. Like as far as like, I put most eyelash glue because the eyelash was hanging off. So this hand is more done. This hand is less. I just did it quicker. This one I took my time because it's my first hand. Isn't that how life is? Alright, so now, even though I'm not wearing these too long, I want to do rhinestones, okay? So I'm going to take the rhinestone grabber.